Hello, Chef here. I thought I would share with you today something new and unusual, probably a first, and that is the anatomy of a bulb of garlic. If you want to learn more about garlic, just hit our channel, put in the little video search box there, put in garlic. You'll learn some facts and some benefits. It's great stuff. So here we go. Let me zoom in just a little bit, and I want to show you what this baby looks like inside. By the way, this comes from Gilroy, California. This is USA #1 select large garlic. Good stuff. Here we go. Quick cut right down the middle. That's the inside of the garlic. Very cool. I love the symmetrical pattern, and you can tell it's just starting to get ready to sprout. This garlic is ripe. It's ready to be used. You can see the little green specks right in the very middle of each clove, and it's looking like it wants to grow. Yeah, it's gonna be good. That's the video. Please support your sponsor right there. Like, share, subscribe. Keep cooking and have a great day. More videos to come. And wow, that is a serious knife. Stampings on the end, solid end cap, full forged tang. Can't even feel the rivets. Perfectly finished. Layered Makata. Red and black handle. Very cool. Super Gao 161. Okay, when I oil a cutting board, I like to shake up the oil. It has some beeswax in there. And just give it a squeeze like this. Circular motion. And I use a plastic bag squished up. This is the best way that I've found to oil the cutting board. Get your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.